G'day, I'm Jim Pike from New Holland Construction. We have here the brand new C362 extra large frame track loader. Weighing in at 7.3 tonne and lifting 1.97 tonne, is the largest in the industry. This thing is a monster. It's got a big cab and a beautiful screen with lots of customisable options. Our vertical lift is the patented Super Boom with a hinge pit height up to 3.56 metres. There's 1.9 metres of track on ground and it's 2 metres wide. There's a big heavy counterweight on the side here and that's standard. And there's more counterweight on the back right down the bottom, which gives you great weight distribution when you're lifting that super heavy load at the top of the lift cycle. The track frame design borrows a lot from dozers. The track frame is pinned into the machine, it's rigidly attached into the track loader. It's got a torsion undercarriage with 6 triple flange rollers across the bottom and dual flange idlers in the front and the back, giving you a smooth ride. They come with rubber tracks as standard, which will be most effective for the majority of our customers, but if you're in need of something extra, we do have steel tracks as a factory option. With all the power of this machine, it's got the hydraulics to match. Standard flow on the left-hand side, high flow on the right side. It's got 157 litres per minute high flow, with 3450 PSI. It's got the best bucket breakout force in the industry at 57 kilonewtons. We've got a Tier 4 final FPT 114 horsepower turbocharged engine. Most of your daily checks and filters are all here at the back. There's a large air filter at the top, hydraulic oil and depth fills on the left, filters down the bottom. Radiator overflows in the back. With the 362, we offer a hydraulic reversing fan that'll blow air out of here to help keep things clean and cool in our dusty environments. We've got a generous LED lighting package at the back and at the front with a reversing camera that can be kept on all the time or automatically come on when you're in reverse. The battery is right behind this door. There's a jump point there and a battery disabler. The C362 has an extra heavy duty frame. There's plenty of weight, plenty of steel and reinforcement because this thing has heaps of power and is going to do big work. The C362 has a Tier 4 final FPT engine, CEGR, SER, but no DPF. There's no regeneration required. We've got big heavy duty lift cylinders, big pins and protection over the top. The inline cylinders let you keep your loader arms down when you're servicing and tilting the cab forward. As you can see, there's a lot to love about the brand new C362. If you're interested in this big unit, head to your local New Holland Construction dealer for more information.